going to start off here with WAT. This is a review of some highlights on our trades from Friday, July the 12th. This was Wyatt. We took a flag pattern, went up into our cloud as it faded back. We just waited on a reversal candle, took it right on our reversal alert as it broke through the cloud here. This did go all the way to target. This was over a $2 trade and then continued on up to our other inflection points. Watch our charts for our inflection point charting. This is yesterday's inflection point. 2 days ago, 3 days ago, we carried these forward for 10 days. You'll see them on a lot of our charts. This is an auto trade on AMP, came off the top. Auto traded on this bar, came in, and we ran this down, and this was our target. I think we stopped out just above that. NVDA was another auto trade off the top. We had a forced reversal. Only when we get a forced reversal we take this trade. And it broke down, got into this area, got almost to the bottom of this cloud, and we stopped out right here. Did not quite reach the target. This was CMI, another auto trade off the top. We stayed in this for hours. It came down, got in one spot, stayed there a long time, and then finally broke down for a really good trade. Another trade here on NVIDIA was we watched this consolidation and decided to take this trade when it broke this level, and then we posted this as it ran into this 167.77 resistance area. It didn't go much further than that right there. Last trade of the day was Budweiser, had sold off really big. We took the secondary trade, let it go up, fell, pulled back, and then took the secondary right on our reversal candles and exited at the top. If you exit, pick an exit plan, you're going to keep about 30% more of your profit. This is ActiveTraderSetups.com. Go over and check it out, find out more about what we do, and a link to a lot of videos we have over on YouTube. Thanks for watching.